Alright, hello guys. So in this video, I'm going to show us how we can easily make a sticker with our Android phone. So just follow the steps as I go. Now, first of all, you will go to your Play Store because normally it's not an inbuilt feature on your phone. There are some phones that are actually inbuilt, but for the sake of this, we are going to download a feature that will help us do that very fast. So you search for sticker maker, right? So there are many others. Now you pick based on reviews. For me, I'm using this particular one, sticker maker WA stickers. So I've installed it like you can see here. So once you install it, for me, I already have it on my phone, the one with the lady on it. So I can open, right? So I'll open it, and there's an option of load drafts, there's an option of create stickers, and there's an option of my stickers as previous, sticker names, customer support, and so on and so forth. For me, I want to create stickers, so I'll just click on create stickers. The ads are showing. Let me wait for it to load. Right. So now when you have this, it opens the screen like the WhatsApp screen. So you can easily add image. Let's pick one of my images. Let's see photos. Let me see what I have in my photos. Let me just pick this for example. This is a food image. So you expand to carry as much as you want. Let's say this. So now we have this, right? And you click on good and save. So you can save sticker here. Automatically when you save it, it's added to your WhatsApp page. That's the sticker you created is added to your WhatsApp page, so you can easily access it on your WhatsApp page. So that is how you can create stickers on your Android phone. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not, and hit the push notification bell on this channel so that you'll get amazing updates as we keep trying.